Have you ever wondered how we, as humans, came to be the way we are today? If you've pondered this question, then you're in the right place. Welcome to our exploration of human evolution, a remarkable journey that spans millions of years and countless generations. Human evolution is the lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestors. This journey of transformation didn't happen overnight. It's a tale of slow, gradual changes, spanning over 6 million years. Most scientists agree that this evolution was driven by a process called natural selection, a theory famously proposed by Charles Darwin. Natural selection is a simple yet powerful mechanism where traits beneficial for survival and reproduction become more common in successive generations, while less advantageous traits become less common. But how do we know all this? How do we trace our lineage back millions of years? We do this through the study of fossils, the preserved remains or traces of organisms from the past. Paleontology, the study of fossils, has provided us with crucial insights into our evolutionary history. We also use genetics to trace our ancestry and understand how we've changed over time. Archaeology helps us understand the cultural and technological aspects of our ancestors' lives, while anthropology gives us insights into the behavior and societies of our predecessors. The story of human evolution is not just a tale of where we come from, but also a guide to understanding ourselves. It helps us understand why we walk on 2 feet, why we can talk, why we are capable of creating complex societies, and so much more. It's a testament to our resilience, our adaptability, and our incredible journey as a species. So, let's embark on this exciting journey through time to unearth our roots and understand our place in the grand scheme of evolution. Our journey begins about 6 million years ago, when the human lineage split from that of the chimpanzees. Picture a world vastly different from ours, a time when our ancestors were more ape than human. This period, known as the Miocene epoch, witnessed the emergence of the first hominins, a group that includes humans and our direct ancestors. The first significant character in our evolutionary play is Australopithecus, a genus that appeared around 4 million years ago. Australopithecus was not much to look at by our standards, standing at about 4 feet tall with a brain about the third of the size of ours. But it had a trick up its sleeve. It was bipedal, meaning it could walk upright on 2 feet, a trait that set the stage for a whole new way of life. Now imagine the advantages bipedalism offered. It freed up the hands for carrying food and using tools, allowed for greater visibility over tall grass, and even helped regulate body temperature more efficiently. This simple yet profound change in posture was a game changer. Fast forward a million years or so, and we meet Homo habilis, often dubbed as handyman. This species was a significant upgrade from Australopithecus in many ways. Standing a bit taller and boasting a larger brain, Homo habilis is believed to be the first hominin to use stone tools, a landmark moment in our evolutionary story. The use of tools signaled a shift toward a more complex way of interacting with the environment. It's the dawn of a cognitive revolution, setting the stage for the development of language, culture, and everything we associate with being uniquely human. As we progressed through time, our species began to exhibit traits that were uniquely human. But this journey was not a linear path from ape to human. It was a meandering road, full of twists and turns, marked by periods of significant change and long stretches of little to no change. But, as they say, even the longest journey begins with a single step, and those early stages of human evolution were indeed our first steps on an incredible journey. Fast forward to around 300,000 years ago, a new species emerges on the scene, Homo sapiens. This was us, the wise humans, as the Latin name suggests, a species of hominids that would eventually take over the world. The story of Homo sapiens begins in Africa, the cradle of humanity. Unlike their predecessors, Homo sapiens had a larger brain capacity, stood completely upright, and had a more refined set of tools. But what really set them apart was their ability to think abstractly and to communicate complex ideas, giving birth to culture and society as we know it today. From Africa, these early humans began to journey outwards, driven by a combination of curiosity, necessity, and perhaps destiny. They ventured into unfamiliar territories, braving harsh climates and dangerous predators, and made their way to every corner of the globe. Along their journey, they encountered other hominid species, most notably the Neanderthals in Europe. There's evidence to suggest that Homo sapiens and Neanderthals interbred, and as a result, many of us today carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA in us. This intermingling of species was a testament to the adaptability and resilience of Homo sapiens. However, the rise of Homo sapiens was not without consequence. As they spread across the globe, other hominid species began to dwindle and eventually went extinct. The exact reasons for their extinction are still a topic of debate among scientists, but it's likely that competition with Homo sapiens played a significant role. The emergence and spread of Homo sapiens marked a turning point in the story of human evolution. No longer were we just another species struggling for survival. We were now the architects of our own destiny, shaping the world around us, and even influencing our own evolution. With the stage now set, Homo sapiens were about to embark on a journey that would change the course of history. But what factors drove our evolution and made us the dominant species on Earth? This question has intrigued scientists for generations. Let's delve into the key influences that have shaped human evolution. Firstly, the environment has played a pivotal role. Changes in climate and geography have led to shifts in our ancestors' diet, lifestyle, and migration patterns. This, in turn, has driven physical adaptations, such as our bipedalism, which allowed us to walk upright and free our hands for tool use. Secondly, genetics, the blueprint of life, has been a major player. Through random mutations and natural selection, advantageous traits have been passed down generations, while detrimental ones have been weeded out. Take, for instance, our large brain size, which has evolved over millions of years and enabled us to develop complex cognitive abilities. Next, we cannot overlook the role of technology, which has been both a product and a driver of our evolution. The invention of tools, fire, and language boosted our survival and reproductive success, leading to an explosion in population size and geographical spread. These technological advancements, in turn, have exerted selective pressures on us, further shaping our evolution. Culture, too, has been instrumental. As social animals, we have evolved intricate systems of communication, cooperation, and learning, which have allowed us to transmit knowledge and skills across generations and adapt to new challenges quickly. However, the road to understanding human evolution is not without its challenges and controversies. Gaps in the fossil record, conflicts between scientific and religious viewpoints, and ethical issues surrounding human enhancement are some hurdles that the field grapples with. In conclusion, the journey of human evolution is a complex interplay of environment, genetics, technology, and culture. These factors not only shaped our past but will continue to influence our future. As we stand on the brink of a new era of genetic engineering and artificial intelligence, we are poised to become not just the products, but also the drivers of our own evolution. Stay tuned as we explore the exciting possibilities of the future of human evolution in the next segment. So, what does the future hold for human evolution? As we look ahead, we find ourselves at an exciting crossroads in our evolutionary journey. The future is a vast, uncharted expanse of possibilities, each more intriguing than the last. One potential path for human evolution could be genetic enhancement, a concept that stirs both fascination and apprehension. Imagine a future where we can edit our own genetic code, enhancing our physical and mental abilities, or even eliminating hereditary diseases. This is not science fiction. Technologies like CRISPR are already making this a reality, but with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of such advancements are profound. We must ensure that our pursuit of progress doesn't compromise our fundamental values of equality and justice. Another possible trajectory is our integration with technology. We are already witnessing the dawn of this era with the advent of wearable tech and biohacking. But as we continue to push the boundaries, we might see a future where humans and machines become indistinguishable. Picture a world where our consciousness could be uploaded to a digital cloud or where artificial limbs outperform biological ones. These developments could redefine what it means to be human. But again, we must tread carefully. We need to ensure that the benefits of such advancements are accessible to all and not just a privileged few. In addition, our future evolution might also be shaped by our exploration of space. As we venture further into the cosmos, the human body could adapt to new environments, leading to speciation, the process by which new species evolve. We could witness the emergence of a new kind of human, specifically adapted to life beyond Earth. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of human evolution remains a fascinating yet uncharted territory. And as we journey into this unknown, we must remember that the power to shape our future lies within us. It's up to us to navigate this evolutionary path with wisdom, ensuring that our developments lead to a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also ethically sound and socially equitable.